Aerial Dance Chicago is a professional dance company and dance school focused on the art of aerial dance. On the first day of classes, we had an audition in the dance studio, a representative who would be the choreographer for the piece we were doing, and then they came back later on and we learned this 6-minute piece in the week to perform at the Orpheum Theatre that weekend alongside the Aerial Dance Chicago company. Being backstage with them, having like a call time and seeing how much faster things move when you're working in a professional setting was also really cool, and just also learning that I can handle it. The energy of the Orpheum is also, it's like a really cool vintage vibe, and I think it contributes to the energy of the space and your energy as a performer, because you're kind of matching the energy of the space that's had like decades of performances on this stage. These are people I've danced with for multiple years now, and even now that some of them have graduated, I still keep in touch with and visit all the time. One of them is actually taking classes at Aerial Dance Chicago right now, getting into this stuff that we experienced together in a more professional sense. And I'm really, really excited for them, and I'm excited to follow them in a few months when I graduate.